Okay, just let me just call the rest for a while. Let me see who's not here. Okay, Akil. Just a moment. One moment. What else is on? Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. We're gonna start with Zahin and Puteri, please turn on your videos. Okay, we are revising 3 different papers if possible, and this will cover paper 1. Okay, very quickly. Question 1 and 2, please come. Boys and girls, turn on your video. Come, we're going to start. See who else I miss out. This is very nice background, Putri. Putri, I'm very sorry. I'm so delayed by that. The questions that you need, maybe those questions that you do not know how to do, you ask me those questions. Those that you can check by calculator and all, that one you check by calculator. Those you do not know how to do, those. Wow, okay. Well done, Danish. Dawish. Sorry. Danish is a wrong person. Sorry. Okay, sometimes. Okay, then you can do question number 3. What about the rest of you? Zahin and Putri. It's not here. Ilhan and... It's just Ilhan and Akil, right? Anyone else? No, right? Okay, I already sent a message to them. Oh, there's one more. Oh, yeah. There's another Putri, right? There's another Putri. Let's see, Anja. Someone's coming. Okay, she's here. Okay, let us see who has sent. Darwish has given answer. 710, what is that? Oh, okay. There is number. Oh, sorry, Darwish, sorry. Okay, so you're saying it's 4. Okay, just a moment. Okay, while we wait for the rest. Well done, Darwish. Okay, so you get 3 full marks. What about the rest for question number 1? Zahin, well done. Puteri, well done for number 1. Putri Jamal, is it? I think Putri Kasih, right? Putri Kasih. Zahin, well done for number 2. Putri, number 2, you got to check. Because here is over 100. So what does it mean? If it's over 100, okay, I'm just going to write down for you right here. Over 100 has 2 zeros, right? So that means you must have 2 blanks after the dot. Okay, if you have 2 zeros, it's 2 blanks after the dot. Okay. All right, I think Zahin, down now for the last one. Putri Kasih, turn on the video, please, Putri Kasih. Or in this case, it's Putri Jamal. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay, I assume now number 2 is 1 whole. You get 1 whole over here and put the 3 at the end there. 3 at the end. Down here, you get 0 lah. Okay, 1.03. All right, now we will now move on to the next one. Zahin for number 3. Okay, number 3, you got to check again, Zahin. Okay, question 4 is probably coming out lah. That time, probably coming out. Okay, so ratio of Anthony to B to Ben is 4:5. And then to C, right? Something like that, right? So how to write? Well, you can write it this way. You can write. No, you can write it this way. So Anthony to Charles is 8:7, right? Anthony to Ben is 4:5. Am I correct? No, this is not Anthony to Ben. Sorry, this first one is wrong. Let me see. I'll rewrite again. So we copied step by step, and we see. It's actually quite straightforward. You must be able to get it right now. So Anthony to Ben is 4:5. So 4:5. The next one, Anthony to Charles. Oh, correct. Anthony to Charles is 8:7. So put the 7 here. Down here, we don't know. So this one you can times by 2 to make it 8. This one can times by 2 to make it 8. Sorry, because you times 2 on the left, you must times 2 on the right. So you get 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, you get 10. So now you got your ratio here. So they want Charles to Ben to Anthony. Charles is 7. Ben is 10. And the other one is 8. 7, 10, 8. Anyone confused? Okay, I'm going to check one by one. Darwish, okay. Putri Kasih, are you okay? Question number 3. Putri Karisa. Zahin, are you okay? Yes, sir. Yeah, Akil, you're okay, right? Question number 3, yeah? Okay, if you're not okay, you must tell me, because this is a time for you to clear this rather than wait for school, okay? School, sometimes you don't, okay. Question number 5, don't need to do. Actually can do, but okay, never mind. Darwish, you have given the answer for question number 3. Question number 4, is it? Okay. Question number 5, you don't need to do, Darwish, but if you want to take on a challenge, Darwish, while waiting, you do it lah. Okay, question number 4, we're waiting for the rest. Congratulations, Darwish. So that means you got 4 straight in a row. Question number 12, please. Orange juice. Okay, for one, you make me thirsty. Let me see. Let us see. Sorry. Yes, well done. Okay, so Darwish, now while waiting, I got to give you mental sums while we're waiting for the rest. Okay, are you ready, Darwish? Let me see. Zahin, let me see number. Okay, well done, Zahin. You and Darwish can challenge for this mental sum. Akil, you got to check. Akil, you want the area of the shaded face of the cube down here. So you got to find one side first, Akil. If you find one side correctly, that will be quite easy. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Okay, sure. All right, no problem, Putri. We'll come to that question in a moment. Putri Karisa. Okay, Darwish versus Zahin. Ready, yeah? No using calculator, please. 9 times 17 and go. 9 times 17, 17. Type in your answer and see. Wow, very fast. Oh, very fast, this boy. Times 10 first, minus 17 after that. Okay, well done, Akil. Okay, so those who's doing 9 times 7, well done, Zahin. Okay, so now we try now. We're waiting for everyone now here to do this. Volume is 216. That volume is what? Length times breadth times height. And you know in a cube, or Malay word for cube is kubus, right? So length times breadth times height, these are all same numbers. So you try lah. 1 times 1 times 1, do you get 216? 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3. You will get 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. You can try it out like that. In Sec 1, you will learn a method. I'm not going to teach you the method now because you can do the guessing method now lah. Okay. And you see, if it's 10 times 10 times 10, it's already 1,000, you know. So any numbers, if they tell you the volume of a cube is less than 1,000, you see, 10 times 10 times 10, 1 add 3 zeros. So any numbers they give you for a cube less than 1,000 is only 1 to 10 timetable only. So you try 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times, until you get the answer. Down here, you get 216. So length is 216, the height is 216, 6 times 6, 36. Okay? Should be okay, huh? Everyone should be okay, right? Okay. So Putri asked a question, and I'm going to write the question in a moment on the board, but you all attempt the next question now. Okay, you got any questions, please ask, okay? Okay, we're not going to do the symmetry lah. This one, okay, can we try? While I will write the question on the board. Well done. Putri Karisa. Zahin, you check. If you add these two, how much do you get? You are supposed to get the balance on here because they add one whole pizza. So for those of you who are having problems conceptualizing this, it's one whole pizza, you know. Then Tanya add 1/4. So your balance is 3/4. So when you add these two, you must add up to 3/4, you know. Well done, Putri Kasih. Darwish, well done. Whereas when you add these two, you get 4/8. 4/8 is half. It cannot be. Okay. Half, that means you still got one more quarter left, you know. So cannot be, yeah. Zahin, you know what I'm talking about? Zahin, you know what I'm talking about? Because they add only 1/4. Tanya ate only 1/4. So must be balance of 3/4 left. So that means Sally and Uma's case must, yes, well done. So there's a possibility. So this one is also half also. So these two are out. Out, out. Now you add these two, you get 3/4. You times 2, you get 3/4. So it could be number 1 or could be number 3. But it cannot be number 1 because we read the second condition. Sally ate smaller than Uma. So Uma must eat bigger. Half is bigger than quarter. So that's why number 3 is the one. Okay, we move on. I hope it's okay. Akil, you okay, right, Akil? You understand, Akil? Akil? No, okay. So Akil, you understand now here there's one pizza, 3% sharing. Tanya ate 1/4, so must be left with 3/4 for the other two lah, for Sally and Uma. Correct? So that's why we can add on here. See, I plus Sally half plus I think get 3/4, so it's possible. This one you plus, you get 4/8 is half, not possible. This one add, you get 3/4 is possible. This one cannot, is half. So now the next portion is say Ellie.
So number 1 and number 3 are possible.
But
number 1 and number 3 can.
Can, but then you must look at the second condition. Second condition says Sally ate smaller. So 1/4 is smaller than half. So 3 only. So number 1 is now not possible. Okay, so you guys are able to do this, okay? Trust me, I think I got a very good feeling. All of you can clear paper 1 without problem. Paper 2, you just need to pass. Inshallah, be okay. Okay, you try the next one, number 8.
So what's a judo class?
Judo fighting class. Okay, later we look. If they say Batman is into jiu-jitsu, it's a different type of thing. Karate is different. Okay, Malay, silat. Some of you may think silat is nothing. Silat is the most damaging, most damage that can cause martial arts that can cause the most damage is silat. No, real silat, not blah blah silat, not the silat that dancing. That's only the opening. Real silat, they did a research. It will crush and handicap the person on the inside. You know. Do you all know that? No? Silat, you look at bunga-bunga, you think it's nothing. Real silat will handicap the person. It's the fastest way to handicap. No? That means after you fight with someone, a silat expert, you become a handicap. So it's the most dangerous out of all the martial arts. That's what I saw on the martial arts channel. There's one program they showed. But I do not know how many people know that. Okay, come, you all try that. But be careful, some silat, they will read mantra, no? No mantra, no much mantra they call on the jinn. So be careful. Those silat, you better not get involved in it. Okay, I think I may have told you the story. I will tell you later. Okay, anyone, let's see. Okay, this is number 8. Darwish, your answer is number 8, is it? Have you given the answer? You give the answer there. Zahin, you given the answer 3. Not yet, this is earlier. Okay. Okay, very easy. Eh? You have to draw a model. Once you draw a model, you can see it very easily. You don't draw a model, it's going to be a little bit difficult. Draw a model, you try draw a model. 7 is equal to 7. Then you draw, you can see very, very clearly. I will draw for you in a moment. I'll draw behind here. While you all do, okay? You all do first. You try. Anyone? Zahin. Okay, let's see. So sorry, please try again. Darwish, you draw, eh? Hold on. Okay, I'll show you how to draw. Ken, I'll show you very quickly. Okay, later on when we get this type of question, you draw. Okay, I already drawn. They say 7/8 of men is equal to 7/8 of women. So down here, you look down here. I draw now. 7 out of 8. So down here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. This is 7 out of 8. There's total of 8 here. This is 7 parts. Women is the same as 7 out of 10. Can you see 7 is equals to 7? But this is 7 out of 8. So I need to draw total number of men is 8 units. Total number of women is 10 units. The total is 36. How many units is equal to 36? You have 10 on here plus 8. 18 units equals to 36. 1 unit is equal to 36 divided by 18 equals to 2. So how many more women and men? 2 units here. 1 unit is 2. So 2, 4. I will give you another question. I'll give you another question shortly. Just let me just check whether there's 4. So it's number 1. Okay. Let us go to 2 questions. Now this question is from Putri. Yeah? While you think of this question, I'll write for you another question on here. Putri says, look, she saw this question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, blah, 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 until 100. How many pairs of what? How many pairs of what? Putri, do you remember the question? You just say how many pairs are there?
Yeah.
How many pairs of what? Okay. Or maybe they might not ask you this. They might ask you like this. Find the sum.
Yes.
I think it's find the sum, you know. Can you all find the sum? If you plus 1, it's going to be very long. So you try while I write the next question, okay? You try find the sum. Let's see whether you can do it in 1 minute. Sum means you add all of them up from number 1 to number 100. If not, I will show you a method in a moment. So 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh. Anyone got answer not? Wow, someone got answer. 101 cannot be 101. It's 100 plus 1 already 101. You must have 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. You must plus everything. Let's see, anyone else?
101 is the amount of pairs, right?
No.
Like, no.
There's 100 numbers, what? From 1 to 100, 101. So the pairs is not 100. Pairs means every group, every two together. Okay, I show you the method, huh? Or you want to find out yourself?
Tell us the method.
Okay, watch, huh? We group them into 100. Pairs of 100. 99 plus 1 get 100. 98 plus 2 get 100. 97 plus 3 get 100. 96 plus 4 get 100. Now your teacher is going to ask you, how many pairs are you going to get? Well, you don't include 100. And the last pair down here you'll get is 49 and 51. This is the last pair. 50 don't have any pair. So number 50 and number 100 you take out. You take out number 100 because they cannot have a pair to make 100. 50, you don't have double 50 to make 100. So these two you take out. You take out how many numbers? You take out 2 numbers. 2 numbers taken out. How many numbers are left? 98 numbers left. Because 98 plus 2 numbers is 100 numbers. So you are left with 98 numbers. 98 numbers can make how many pairs? One pair, there's 2. Divide by 2. You get 49. 49 pairs. Each pair, what's the value? 100. 99 plus 1 is 100. 2 plus 98 is 100. 49 plus 51 is also 100. So every pair is 100. So you want to find the value of this 49 pair? 49 times 100 equals to 4900. Remember to add plus 50 and plus 100. So your value is 5050. Davish, you get it? Zahin can get it, Zahin? The pairs? That means okay. Putri Karisa can get. Rafli, Putri Kasih can get. Okay, Akil, can you get? Honest. Can get, You sure? Okay. So next time they might give you other stuff. This is actually from secondary school maths. There is a formula for it for you to get. But what Singapore maths try to do, they bring the secondary level down, and then it become a headache for you because you don't have their formula. You got to do this method. Okay. So anyway, you look out for patterns. Out here we look out for pairs. When your teacher say pairs, it's pairs to make up 100. Why 100?
So,
yeah.
You mean there's 49 pairs and the sum is 5050?
No, 49 pairs. One pair is 100, right? So 49 times 100 is 4,900. Then there's 2 numbers that are not pairs. What are 2 numbers? 50 and 100. You must plus them also. Okay. Okay, we try. Okay. Now down here, next one. Okay, the next one. 2/3 of the boys. We have 2/3 of the boys is the same as 3/4 of the girls. And total number of children is 51. So they ask you now, how many girls are there in total? Okay, you try. You need to draw a model. I repeat the question. There's 2/3 of the boys is the same number of children as 3/4 of the girls. There's a total of 51 children. 51 children total. You want to know how many girls are there? Can you try to draw? Okay. First thing you must remember is you must believe in yourself. No, you must believe you can solve it. That is Singapore maths. The PSLE is that tough. You got to believe. Even though you say I have not passed maths before, you have to believe. You have to believe, and inshallah you will pass. And some of you If you do extra work, you will not only pass, you get an A. And some of you, if you push yourself even further, you'll get an A star. Not easy to get A star. Anyone? You have to draw a model. Here, I will lead you to draw a model. The one someone is disappear. Your sister disappeared, Putri. Your sister, she left. Darwish can draw the model. This one you cannot do by imagining. You got to draw. Try to draw a model. Okay, you can't get, I got to show you and give you another one. 1 minute more. You need to draw 1 minute more. Can? Okay, so now I'm going to draw. Okay.
Is it 38.5?
No, cannot be 0.5. Cannot. Once you have 0.5, how you have half a human being? Okay, come we try, you see. So we draw 2/3 of 2/3. How we draw? We draw 3. 2/3 is like that. This is what the boys. So the boys, what do I do? Oh, this is the boys. I put B. So far, okay. This model, okay, right? Shouldn't have a problem, right? Now, this 2/3 is the same as 3/4. I draw the same thing now. The only difference is this one got 3 parts. This is the girls. But 3/4, there's another quarter down here. So the size of the girls is different from the boys. But can you see? 3 out of 4, 3 parts is equal to 2 parts. 3/4, this is 3/4. This is 2/3. They are equal. What to do next? Okay, this whole thing is equals to 51. Next thing, you got to make the parts the same. How to make it the same? This one 3, this one 2. 3 times 2 lah. 6. So down here, how to make it 6? Oh yeah, I just divide each into. I just divide into 2 lah. I get 6 already. I must also divide this one into 2. So altogether now the girls got 8 parts. Down here, how? Oh, I divide each, there's 2. I divide each into 3 parts. You see, I divide in 3, I get 6 already. Can you see now? It's all the same down here. This part is all the same. Down here, I divide into 3 also. So the boys got how many parts? 3, 3, 3. Boys got 9 parts, 9 units. The girls got how many parts? The girls got 8 parts. So how many units altogether? 9 plus 8, 17 units. This is equals to 51. What is 1 unit? 51 divided by 17, you get 3. So each one is 3 students, 3 girls, 3 girls, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So there's 8 down here, right? 8 times 3 lah. 8 times 3, 24 girls. How? Are you all okay now? Darwish can get it now, Darwish. Can I give you another different one? Different question again. Okay, we'll do.
Wait, sir, wait.
Yeah. Okay. Am I going too fast? Yes. Okay. Sometimes it takes you to focus, and then it must reach a point where you I understand now. Then you can solve this. Is this the most difficult? No, it's not. Huh? So you must understand it. Can? I just changed the question again.
Done.
Okay, now I'm just going to change the question. Just half of the boys is equals to 1/4 of the girls. Okay, half the boys equals to 1/4. There are a total of 24 children. Total of 24 children. Can you find the number of girls? I hope I didn't. Okay. Number of girls. 24. Because you saw this now. If you draw the model, okay, you got the number of parts, Zahin. This is step 1. There's going to be step 2. You're going to be step 3. You got 2 more steps to go. You draw now. You draw. Say 1/2. You know how to draw, right? Right. I draw this one. This is boys. This is equal to 1/4 girls. How you draw 1/4? This half is equal to 1/4. How many? Quarter means how many parts more? You're going to make it quarter. This is only so make quarter. And now become quarter lah. Darwish can get or Darwish? What's the answer? You send the answer? You know the answer now? Okay, we want number of girls, no? Cannot be 8. You see down here altogether, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units is 24. 1 unit is how much? It's 24 divided by 6, get 4. Girls, 4, 8, 12, 16. Number of boys, you find the number of boys. Boys, there's 8. Okay, now. Putri, okay, now. Okay, never mind. Okay, Zahid, okay. You want one more question? One more, huh? We try one more, okay? Sorry. Okay, lah, give you like that. Lah. Hold on, huh?
Sure. For the question, the previous question, is it the answer is 64?
This one.
Yeah.
This one 16. Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units equals to 24. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units is 24.
So just now I wanted to give you 16, but then
You type the number of boys. It's okay, no problem. No problem. So Putri Karisa, you get it, huh? Okay, you try now the last one, this one. Okay, we're still doing. Okay, this one, a number of girls, still number of girls. Akil, you cannot do mentally, Akil. This one you got to do You got do with what did I do? Anybody, come on. Okay, Putri, I found a number of boys. No, yeah, correct, Putri. Well done. What about the rest? Come on. Okay, we draw. Very simple, Zahin. 1/4, draw 1/4 lah, like that. Shade 1/4, boys. Is equals to 1/4 is equals to half. Which is 1/3, not 1/4. 1/3 is 3, right? So 1/3 is equals to half. So this half is 1 out of 2. What? Girls. Can or not? The whole thing is equals to 10. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units equals to 10. 5 units equals to 10. 1 unit is 2 lah. So you're gonna find the number of girls. 2, 4, finish. Davish can get? Akil can get? Cannot. Zahin can get? Putri Jamal, Putri Kasih can get? Do we do one last one? Don't. All right, okay. Some say yes, some say don't. Okay, never mind. We move on. Okay.
So will this question come out for
Yeah,
PSLE?
I think most probably because it's a very common question. I won't say will come out, but it's possible for it to come out because this is a bit. This question is even tested at primary 5, and sometimes even at the higher level of primary 4. So but the easier version lah. So you need to know. It's under fractions lah. So let's see. Now we try question 9 and 10. No using calculator, because it's paper 1 still. Davish can do mentally. Yes, he has done mentally. Just an answer. Oh, it's not Davish, it's Putri. Well done. Putri, you did mentally. Wow. Zahin, you did mentally also, Zahin. Wow, boleh tahan. Good, this is me. Okay, we can do mentally, great. But those who can't do mentally, don't force yourself, okay? It will come naturally. Okay, well done, Davish. What about the rest? You're wearing Putri Kasih and Akil. Akil, oh, you are showing the answer sign. Akil, I'm so sorry. That is the total mass. They ask you for average mass. You got to divide by the number of parcels. 17. Okay, 33 is the total. Divide by 3 lah. There's 3 parcels. 1, 2, 3. Answer number 1. 11. 11. Putri Kasih, am I going too fast? Okay, Putri Jamal. Okay, well done. Putri Jamal, Putri Kasih. It's the same thing. Okay. Wow, next one really got answer. Putri Kasih. Let us see. Well done, Putri Kasih. You came in first for this one. We'll collect a present from my mom. You know what this is, right? A free hug. Zahin say, no, I'm not gonna. What's a revolution? A revolution is 1 turn round. Okay, if I do a cartwheel, I will show you a revolution I did. Okay, in a moment, but it's not a best revolution. But I'll show it to you in a moment. Zahin, congratulations. Okay, all of you are improving in paper 1. That's very, very good. The real challenge now will be paper 2. So we will soon start on paper 2 soon. But I need you all to be very clear at paper 1 first. Okay, yes, well done, Akil, for question 10. I think all of you all are okay with this one, right? You all should get, Putri, you must add to his current salary. That is only the increase. You want to know what's his monthly salary this year. You're just giving the increase, you'll be upset. You must pay him the full salary, which is the increase plus his $1,000. Yes, well done. So all of you got 1,120. Well done. Okay. This one is the next one, the revolution. Those of you who do not know what's a revolution, I'm going to show you a revolution. Okay, I show you revolution. This is what I do in hotel rooms actually. Have I showed you? No, I've not. Okay, so this is now what I do. Okay, oh, sorry, let me see. My son last on Sunday was my what? My birthday, Monday. So I became a very old man. So I needed to do this. I needed to do this. This is me. Can you see me? Okay, watch what a revolution is. But of course, for Akil says this is lousy revolution lah. Okay lah, whatever lah. Okay, here we go.
Nothing.
Okay, revolution means to turn one round. It's a bad round. So this is what I do in hotel rooms. Why? Because I cannot do on the bed at home, right? You will break the bed. So normally I will, and I've been doing it for last 10, 15 years, so as to bluff myself to say that I'm still young, but I'm not. So revolution is like that. You're turning one round. This one revolution, two revolution. An electric drill. How many revolutions it goes through? Spinning round. Many revolutions. All right. So we go back to this question. And that was your Akil. How was that skill, Akil? Is it bad or that egg roll? How was my egg roll? Is it good or bad? Lousy, yeah. Okay. So those of you who don't get it still, maybe you don't get it, I will have to explain further. Okay, let's see, Zahin. Oh, very fast, huh? Three. Okay, let's see. Hold on, huh? Okay, okay, a lot of you are giving 3. 2 persons are giving 3. What about it? One says is 1. Anyone? Any answer? Davish, what's the answer, Davish? 2, is it? Answer. Davish said the answer is 2. Zahin says 2 also. Zahin said 2 or 3. Now you must know what's the formula for circumference. No, the formula is very simple, right? It's pi times d. So I write pi times. That's for one revolution. One turn is pi times d. Okay, thank you, Portuguese. So now your radius is 8. This is not the diameter. The diameter is 16 times 2. So 16 times this is 16 pi. Okay, now I can see. Okay, yes. So this is for one round. Remember, you saw me going one round. Okay, that's not a real round lah. Okay, that's a bad round. Now this one goes 2.5 rounds. So this is second round. The last round is half round. Half of 16 is 8. So you add all them together lah. You will get 40. 16 plus 16, 32 plus 8, 40. Yeah. I hope it's okay. I hope it's okay. Yeah. Not okay, please indicate to me so that I, Okay, next one now. Question number 12. If you can do mentally for this type, for me now, I do such things mentally. But if you cannot do mentally, don't do mentally. If you can, alhamdulillah. Find ADC. Okay, for those of you who's come. ADC. This one, we're looking for this one. Wow, so fast, huh? Some of you are real fast. Hold on. I'm still calculating very fast. Akil, you say 3, yeah? Okay, just a moment. Hold on. Okay,
No, I put my answer this.
Oh, 4. Okay. Let me see. I do not know what's wrong with this thing. Okay, let me see. Zahin says 3. Putri, you say 2. Have you done? Not yet. Zahin 3. Akil 4. Okay, Akil, this is not a parallelogram. It's parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. This is not this trapezium. Parallelogram, that means the shape is always something like that. This is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. Then opposite angles will be the same. This will be the same as this. But this is not. This will be the same as this. Then This one the same, but this is not a parallelogram. This is a trapezium. Zahin, let us see whether you are okay. 1, 2, 7, 7, 7, 3. Zahin, so sorry, Zahin. Sorry, that's not answer. Try again. Find this angle. Then you see a Z because trapezium, two lines are the same. So these two are the same. Can do already, yeah? Davish, where are you, Davish? What's the answer? Davish, 3. 3 also wrong, lah, Davish. Okay, what is this now? Anyone found the answer for this one? Well done, Zahin. 180 minus 105 minus 22. What do you get? You get
54.
54. 50, not 54, 53 lah. 53, no? Down here is 53. Why? Because Z, can you see the Z? Z, Z. It must be parallel, huh? So 53, 53. So this 180 minus 54 minus 53, you get 73. Okay, the most important thing you must believe is what? In yourself. No? And as Muslims, we must believe in ourselves if you believe in Allah. If you don't believe in Allah, then we are not Muslim, right? But so you know of the Battle of Badr and all. The Muslims were outnumbered, don't have enough weapons, yet they can defeat so many army many times larger. I won't go into that. Maybe when you're older, I explain to you about that type of knowledge. There's a different knowledge there. Okay, here we go now. We try this one. Cupcakes. Okay, let us see. Zahin, very fast. Let us see whether you are. Well done, Zahin. Well done. Well done, Putri. Well done, Dawish. You got 2 more percent. Well done, Putri Karisa. You got to check. You got to check yourself. You have found the total, Mr. Akil. Is it? Hold on. I think you go in times. I think. Don't just times. This is for 6. You must find 1 first. Yes, 3. Okay. So okay, you all know lah. You all know. Okay, answer is 3. Yeah. Well done. Okay, now we move on. Now, the next 2 might be a little bit, as you see, number 13, number 14, 15, might be the same as paper 1 question, might be the same. Let us see, this is now algebra. Okay, algebra was created by Muslims. I do not know, thank you very much. I do not know whether you know this. Muslims created algebra, no? Of the highest form of mathematics, which Einstein used, E equals mc squared, is algebra. Okay, thank you, Akil. We'll see whether Navish, thank you. Zahin, Navish, well done. We're waiting for the 2 ladies. But while we are waiting, we will just label. Jim is 3 times as old as Lionel, so it must be 3x. Kenny, Mr. Akil, Kenny is half as old as Jim, so you must divide this by 2. Akil, can see now, Akil? Akil looking somewhere else. Akil is frozen. Frozen.
Sure.
Okay, you're frozen as now. Yes.
My Wi-Fi a bit not stable, but sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
When can you get your own tuition center again?
Aduh. Someone has offered me lah, but that will be end of the, next year. But I do not know whether I'm going to do. I want to get my own place lah. I as early as is next year because it costs quite a bit of money. And if I go and share with others, they normally want a large student numbers. Sometimes I got no time now. So the earliest is January, but I don't think I'll be having one until 2023. Anyway, okay, so Lionel is X, Jim is 3 times X, 3X. Kenny, you got to divide by 2, so 3X over 2, this one. You just follow step by step. Huh? Lionel is X, Jim is 3 times 3X. Then it's half, so you divide by 2. Okay, I hope this is okay. Again, we hope that you will be able to be masters in algebra because that is what is going to be the toughest in Sec 1 and the whole secondary school life. You got to draw a model. I need to draw a model. You're good. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, a little bit complex model drawing for this one, but still possible, still possible, please. Not sure. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. You try, you got answer already, Akil, so fast. You draw model now. Okay, what's the answer? 3, You do like that, 3, is it? 4. Okay, let's see. Davish, can do? This is how you draw the model. Zahin can do? Okay, Davish answers according to answer key is not correct. Okay, we take just can you try just to draw something? Let's see. Does anything come to your mind? But you must, when you are doing this, you have to believe that you can succeed in doing this question. Otherwise, it's going to be very tough. You got to believe. No? Yeah, sure, no problem. No problem. Putri Karisa. Okay, I will draw the model in a moment. Okay, let me see whether I'm correct. How much money did Amanda have at first? Me just hold on. Anyone else? Can Davish, according to answer key is still not correct. Okay, let us see. I'll draw for you. Okay, I still have not solved it yet. So okay, Zahin, your answer according to answer key is correct. Do you draw a model or by luck? From the way you're smiling is by luck lah. Okay. Okay, answer key says the answer is number 2. But let us see. Let us draw the model first. Amanda, we know, has more money than. Sorry. Amanda has more money than. What happened to this one? Sorry. I need to share screen. So Amanda has more money than Bernard. So Amanda is like that. Bernard is like this. So they say both of them would have the same amount of money, if Amanda gave Bernard $5. So this is $5, let's say. Can you see now? This $5 is actually from Amanda, but gave it to Bernard. Now they have the same amount. So now, but they what happened after that? Say, but Amanda didn't give Bernard $5. Bernard gave Amanda $5. So let us show now the original amount. At first, actually, Amanda has this like that. This one is $5 lah. Okay, $5. This one is $5. Okay, let me just draw. Amanda has like that, right? Stuff. This is $5. Okay. Now, then, what about Bernard? Bernard must have what? You must remember when I put it back here, Bernard's money dropped down here now. There is like two $5 here now. Can you see now? You must be able to see this. If I put this down here now, this is where the money is. You can see what I'm talking about. When I put this 5 there, Amanda would have $10 more than Bernard. Can you see that? Because why? Because down here, this is not Bernard's money. Bernard give back, his amount is down here only. So I draw down here. So Amanda would have 5 plus 5 more, $10 more. And then what happened? Okay, now we go to the next part of this. What happened after that? Bernard going to give $5. So we cut now $5 from here. I use another color. Bernard now, you're going to give this let's say $5 lah. You go and give, we're going to push this up here. Okay, I'm going to draw here. But again, now I want you to be able to see that when I draw here, Bernard's amount of money is going to go even lower. Bernard is going to be down here. Like that. Amanda will be, watch, down here be 5. It goes up down here, is actually it's actually 20 now. Can you see now? Amanda would have $20 more than Bernard. So now down here now I draw now. I do not know whether there's something wrong with the question or not. Oh, Jason, you understand so far what I've been drawing? When you put this up there, the 5 goes there, but there'll be $20 now more than Bernard. So how much do they have altogether? We do not know, right? But what we do know is this. At the end, this is supposed to be drawn like that. Amanda got 6 times. So that means I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is Amanda. Bernard is here. The difference is how many? The difference is 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, the difference is 20. Yeah. So from here to here is $20. 20 divided by 5, you get $4. So 1 unit is $4. $4. So Bernard at the end is left with $4. You get it? And Amanda got 4 plus 20, 24. Right? So now we return the $5 back to Bernard. She is left with 5, 10, 15, 19. Answer is number 2. So notice this one is, so sorry, my thing is going around haywire. So it is actually $19. Are you lost now? Are you lost? If you're lost, okay, I want you to know this. If question 15 you find it difficult, don't waste time on question 15 in section A. Move on to paper 2 or section B first. Why? Because the last five questions of question 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 2 marks each, but the last question might be tougher. This is actually a paper 2 question. You realize that? So don't spend so much time on it because it's only 2 marks. Never mind if you lose the 2 marks. Move on to the next questions, because the next question is going to be easy. If you don't believe, I'm going to show you now. This one, if you don't get it, we'll come back to it another time. I want you to have a look, watch. I'm going to clear screen. Now down here, we move. You will find that question 16 is so much easier than question 15. Do you notice that or not? Question 17 is so much easier than 15. So you move to question 16 if this is taking too much of your time. Are you okay with the strategy? You understand the strategy, yeah? Okay, you try question 16 and 17. But let me check. Darwish, you understand the earlier question? Putri, Karisa, you understand? Akil, you understand? Akil says, I need a classroom, please. Okay. Putri Kasih, you understand? Okay, little bit. Putri Kasih, you look tired. Right? Zahin, you understand, Zahin? Zahin said, I understand, but my answer is better. Chacha Koti is better. Yeah, sometimes it works. Okay, this one a giveaway question. If you forget what are factors, remember, if you know multiples, you got to multiply. This you don't need to multiply. This you need to do the opposite. The numbers that can 18 and 45 can be divided by. Multiples, you need to multiply. Factors, what numbers can be 18 be divided by, 45 be divided by. Are you okay? Let's see now. Some of you have given an answer. Zahin, Darwish, 15 is not a common factor. 18 cannot divide by 15. Zahin, you need one more number. You only got 2. There's a total of 3 common factors. You got the first 2. There's a third one. Okay, well done, Darwish. Now you got the third one. So what about okay, well done for the next one, Mr. Darwish. Those of you have forgotten, then we have to write it down here, 18. Well done, Zahin, well done. Remember not? 18. Oh, 1 times 18. You must write all this down now. 2 times 9. Some more? 3 times 6. Cannot go further. So it's 1 times 45. Okay, you say, I thought you said divide. Yeah, all this is divide now. 45, 18 can divide by 1, 18 divide by 2, 18 divide by 9, 18 divide by 3, 18 divide by 6. That's why we do it this way. 2 times cannot. 3 times 15. 4 cannot. 5 can. 5 times 9. That's it. So what are the 3 numbers? 1, 3, 9. 139, that's it. 139. The next one now. The next one, those of you who can't do, please look to the board and try to do this way. I do not know whether Zahin and Davish do the same way. Watch. This thing now got a times 30. What do I do? I break this up. I break this up to what? 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. So watch. So what I do first? I times by 10. I shift 1. I get 231. See? 231.2. Then I times by 3. Down here I can do mentally. So 6, 9, 3.6. Notice the same thing for divide. Divide by 200, what do I do? Take 0.18 divided by 100 first. Then after that, divide by 2. See why? 100 times 2 is 200. So how to do this one? First, you shift the decimal 2 places. Okay, 1, 2. So you get 0.0018 divided by 2. Now you divide by 2, you get 0.0009. Notice how I do. I divide the number into 2 numbers that are multiplied to one another. So you can do that for question number. The next question. Zahin, do you do that way? No. Yes. Davish, you did that way so. Yes. Okay, so while we are waiting for the rest, 17 please, Zahin and Davish, you can move on to question 18. And if you can do mentally, that's very good. Because time is something you need to do mentally. Meeting normally. Well done, Putri Karisa. Davish, let me see. Well done, Davish. Well done, Akil. Okay, anyone else?
Give me a few minutes to do this the next question.
Okay. So this first one, a few minutes to do which one? Number what?
Number 18.
18. Okay. So 17, you got it, right? 17, very simple. If you don't get it, first you divide by 10. Then you divide by 2. So divide by 10, you shift. Get 0.6064. Then divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, you get 32, right? So 0.032. Okay, we will clear this one. If again you do not understand, please stop me again and ask for. Okay, then.
Mr. Shahid,
yeah.
is this 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock?
This one is 24-hour clock.
Oh.
So Zahin, you got to check your answer for that. Remember, but this is over midnight, you know. So you all have to, go to 24-hour down here. So this is 21:50, is it? 21:50, yeah. You go to 24-hour clock. This 24 hours midnight. Then from here is 00 to 2 a.m. You know what I'm talking about? This is from one day to the next day now. So you got to count how much hours is here. Take 2400 minus 2150, and then you plus by 2 hours. You have to do it like that. Akil cannot, Akil. No. Too many hours. You see, this is like 9:50 at night. 9:50 to 12 midnight, how many hours is that? And how many minutes? 9:50. Take 10 o'clock. 10 to 12 is how many hours? 10, we have 2 hours. Then 9:50 to 10 o'clock, how many minutes? 10 minutes. 9:50 to, right? So you get, and then you plus another 2 hours now from midnight now here. So 2 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 10 minutes. Zahin, you get it now, 4 hours, 10 minutes. Now, down here, 4 hours, 10 minutes, but they give you hour only how? Davish, how? They only give hour like that. In 4 hours, 10 minutes, no, they don't give you minutes. How? So
60 times 4.
60 times 4. You just put like that over 60. Then you reduce. Cancel, cancel. 4, 1 over 6. Okay, nah? Is it okay? You get it? Carissa, you get it? Putri, Carissa, you know what I'm talking about? No. Down here, you understand? This one. This one, you understand? So now, this minute, you got to change to hours. You got to divide by 60. So I divide by 60. 10 divided by 60. Then I cancel the 0, can get 1, 6. Lowest terms. Okay, eh? All right. Let me see now. Zahid, you already given an answer. Let me see. Okay, just a moment, huh? And your answer is correct. Okay, we'll stop here for a while. Let us. I won't go through the earlier one. Huh? We try this one. Ratio and percentage. Well, that's fast. That's fast. Congratulations to Darwish and Akil and Zahin. Putri Jamal, you got to flip. You got to flip your numbers, huh? Well done, Darwish. Well done, Zahir. Number 7. You got to check again. Hold on. 780. Yeah, I'll come to that in a moment. Eh? Okay, inshallah, you'll be okay, Miss Putri Karissa. Now, down here, I believe you can do it. In fact, I believe all of you can do it. Here, over here, you just, to change the percentage, just times by 100. That's it. Any decimal of fraction, you just times by 100. That's it. So 35 divided by 4, you will get 8.75. Yes, you are you're correct for the first one. Second one now, I think you flip it wrongly. Yours is the number, terbalik, I think. Yours is the number of male to female. We want female to male. So down here, how to do this one? Very simple. Very simple. Yes, correct now. This one is the male, 4 units. The total is 11. So what's the female? Total is 11. Male is 4. Female must be 7. So 7 is 2, 4. Okay, Putri Kasih, be careful. Yours is 4 to 7. Same like some of the students. Putri Karissa, you understand? Okay. Okay. It's not too tough. Okay, it's not too tough. Trust me. And at PSLE, they cannot give you all tough questions. They have to give you very easy, not so easy, a little bit difficult. They have to have a whole stretch. Do you understand why? Why they need to do that? You know why they cannot give you all difficult questions? Okay, there's few groups of students. You all need to understand this. Okay, the students might be poor, very poor. I'm not talking about money. Talking about results. Very poor, slightly average, high average, good, even better, the best. Let's say. Because so many categories. If all of your questions are difficult, only these 2 groups can do. All the rest cannot do, and they do not know the difference between good and average. Why? Because all of them get the questions wrong also. So they need to be able to get this one, very few questions they get right. This one must get more than this. That means they have different levels of difficulty. And because of that, you can score in most of them. Inshallah, I can score in most of them. I do not know whether you understand what I'm saying, but that's the way it is. All right, here we go. Sorry, try again. I will show you a method again, method that is used in secondary school also, for you all to be able to do this. One of the two terms is correct, Putri Karisa. Well done, you got it correct. Putri Karisa, Zahin, you got it correct. Davish, you got it correct. We're waiting for Akil, who's busy with his fingernails.
So, may I go toilet?
Go. Okay, well done. Davish, you did it mentally, yeah? Davish also went toilet. Oh, Davish went toilet. Okay, go.
Yeah.
Go. Yes, okay, well done. How to do this one, I'm going to show you. Arrange it with the sign.
Is it 25 something, 25 plus 3A?
No. Okay, so I want you to copy together with the sign. In front, the first one must always be a plus. So it's 9A. You don't need to, then you write minus 3A. You know what to do already. This one got no sign means plus 17. Minus 8. Once you write it this way, you can see clearly. 9A minus 3A, 6A. Plus 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay. Now you see, how do I know plus or minus? Okay, you do this way first, inshallah, you'll be okay. Putri Karisa, well done. What about the rest? Zahin, what about you, Zahin? Question number 23. Okay, the next one, please. We've got 10 minutes left. Notice we are finishing one whole paper now. You got 6 minutes to 6 more questions. Oh. Anyone? Zahin, well done. I think you're a little bit tired already. Yeah? Not yet tired. Akil tired. 24. Come on, 24.
Is it 9? Is it
Okay, just tell us the answer. 9.
wait.
Number 24. Is Carissa correct? Well done, Carissa. Congratulations.
Is it 93,900?
92,900. Okay. Why 92? Remember, because the other one will come one. You think
93.
93, then you have extra. Okay, let's say 93. 93,900.
Yeah.
If we plus, This one become 1000. So 3 zeros. Add 1 become 11. Cannot be. You see, you must remember now. There is, okay, just do that lah if you want to. Minus 907. Because you need to borrow, no, mister. You have to borrow. Borrow from where? Okay, the one here, so become 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 1, 900. So 900 is correct. 9 minus 7 is 2.
Hello.
Yeah, 92,900.
Is my character frozen?
Yeah, it's frozen.
Ah.
It's either that or you're hiding. But I think you're hiding also, it's frozen. Yeah, it happened a few times. Okay, let's try this one. Come. Those of you who have done or not done, Carissa have already done it. So,
Papa.
okay, Putri Carissa, you can do the next one. It's very simple for 24. I just need to add only. Because water and the syrup, that's all. Okay, our target is to complete the whole paper by 3 o'clock. Okay, if you got to stay back a little bit, I hope it's okay with you. Don't be sad. Only Putri Kalisa is happy because she's going to go to Express, right? Inshallah. You can do it. You can do it. You should push yourself, yes. Well done, Davish. Okay, those who are having difficulty, you need to change. Go, please. Okay, Zahin, carry on, please. So what do? I will have to change this now. Wow, let's see. Congratulations, Putri. Okay, just a moment. I just go through for the rest, because this is group, so we need to make sure everyone are in line now. So this one you get 5, 10 over 15, and then plus 2, 6 over 15. So you 6 there. 6, 9, sorry, 9 over 15. So 10 plus 9, 19. 19 over 15. 5 plus 2, 7. This 19 over 15, you can break it down to 15 over 15. Okay, so how? 15 over 15 plus, I'm doing this for those who cannot see, yeah? So now, you can see 15 plus 4 is 19. So this 15 over 15 becomes 1. 7, 8, 4, 15. Okay, that's your answer. If you can't get it, you must tell me, because this is considered basic. You can't get it, you must tell me, okay? So 8, 4, 15 over 8, 4 over 15. Zahin, you get it or not, son? Zahin, you get it, son? You understand, right? Zahin? You're drinking yogurt, Yakult. Yeah, Yakult, that's right. So nice, Allah Akbar, you're tempting all of us. Okay, never mind lah. Okay, here we go. Now we go to the next one. Those of you who write 320, something is wrong. I think it's supposed to be the other way around. Maybe there's a mix-up. Okay, David should check. Do it mix-up. Can we go to the next question? Okay, I'll come back to this question later because I want you all to be involved. Okay, question 26, 27. We got 3 minutes more, 3 minutes more, 3 minutes more. David should remind me, I need to go through 25 again because your answer is different.
My computer just now crashed.
No problem, no problem. Welcome back. We got another 2 minutes more, but we will try. Wow. Let's see now. Mr. You see, your answer is not correct, Mr. Dawish. Can
Do
you
which
try
one
again?
first?
Number 26. Oh, you have the same answer as Dawish. Okay, but maybe you might be right. We're going to check in a moment.
Yeah, I don't know how to do.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So 1/4 given away. 1 whole minus 1/4, you get 3/4. This is the balance. So far, okay? Balance, okay, yeah? So this is the balance. 1/5 of the balance given to Yaling. So if you want to find what's 1/5 of the balance, you write 1/5. See, off means times, you see? 1/5 of the remaining money, you agree? 3/4. So 1/5 times 3/4, I can find what's the balance. What do I get? 1 times 3 is 3 over 20.
1520.
1520.
Eh,
3 over 20, right? So what is balance? The balance now we take, this is the balance, right? Minus 3 over 20. Why am I minus 3? This is the balance after giving Xavier. Then I must minus the amount given to Yaling. Then I can get the answer. So 1520 minus 320, I get 1220. Am I correct? 1220 is the same as you divide by 4. You get 3/5. Are we okay? Darwish, okay or not? You understand? So you must be able to convert this. Those of you who can't get it, then I need to draw like that, no? Okay, I draw, sorry, I draw just in case some of you don't get this part, so I have to draw like that. So this is now 1/4 is 1 part here, this one. The balance is 3/4, but since now they're going to give the balance 1/5 of it. So 1/5 now I divide to 5 parts is not the same as 3 units here. Now it's going to be 5 units here. So how? We can change it to 15 units lah. Let's say you have something like that. Change to 15 units. This one you divide by 3, this one you divide by 5. So you get 15 units, 15 units. So 1/5 of 15 is how many? 1/5 of 15 is 3. So your balance is 12. So 12 out of the whole thing is how many? The whole thing is 20. I think you are tired already. Okay, but if you understand the first method, great. Can I just go to the last question, the earlier one, so as to check whether you all get the earlier one. Down here, this is the last question. Last question. Okay, last question. I need to say that in case. So you add this one 2 kg 500. Down here is 730 grams. So what? This is 2 kg 730 grams. This is 2 kg 500. So you minus lah. Davish, okay not, Davish? You minus, you get 230 grams. Are we okay? Davish, okay not? Can, huh?
I misput the number.
Misput number. No problem, no problem. But notice, you find that paper 1 is not so tough after all, right? So this is where you got to really score. Okay, next week we do one more paper 1, and then the week after that we will start on paper 2 already. But we're not going to do the whole paper 2, okay? We're going to we're gonna
But
tackle
my
the first
prelims start next week.
next week
Or
prelims.
this week. This week.
Okay, this week.
I think.
All
I
the
think
best.
this week.
All the best. You gotta do some practice papers. Then those questions you do not know, you can message me. I will answer. Inshallah, I will answer. So, Putri, the questions that you don't know, Putri, you send to me. Sorry, I know I told your mom to buy those books, and then if you really find that all the questions you don't know, never mind. You just send. I will mark. So the
I want to
questions that you
business
send me.
center again so I can eat McDonald's before class.
Wow. Okay. Inshallah, maybe one of these days we go McDonald's together lah. You ask Zahin to belanja. Zahin always eating McDonald's. Okay then, you take care of yourself. So far you've been wonderful. Inshallah, you all do well. Assalamualaikum. Dua for you.